mga kakabsat! Thank you for dropping by to my channel. So today po, I'm going to share you how you can download a Kotobee Reader from your laptop. So this Kotobee Reader is a tool for reading the ebook that you created. So meron po tayong 5 easy steps na dapat natin sundin to download your Kotobee Reader. Umpisahan na po natin. So ito po yung link para ma-download mo ang Kotobee Reader. Itong link na to ay minention ko din sa aking description box below. So, when you copy this link or when you click this link into your browser, ganito po ang kanyang site. Okay? So now, you need to click the download button on the right corner of your window. So, pag click niyo po yan, magda-download na po ang Kotobee Reader. So, after a while, you need to save your Kotobee Reader into your desktop. By the way, ito po ang icon ng Kotobee Reader. So after saving your Kotobee Reader into your desktop, okay, you need to launch your Kotobee Reader. That is step number 4. Step number 5 is ganito po ang magiging hitsura po ng Kotobee Reader after you downloaded it into your laptop or desktop. So as you can see po, ito yung aking file. Ito po yung ebook na ginawa ko. Now, para naman po ma-upload ang inyong file, you need to click this one. Ito po. So, when you click that one, mag-upload na po yung file na ginawa nyo. Okay po. So, you just need to wait for a while. And it's done. Ganito po ang magiging interface ng inyong ebook once you downloaded the Kotobee Reader. So now, let me show you a live demonstration about this topic. So let's do it. Okay. So as you can see, ito na po yung aking ebook na ginawa. So on the left side, nandito po yung table of contents. At on the right side, ito yung mismong content ng ebook ko. So you can also press this button on the lower part of my window on the left side. Oh, I'm sorry, on the right side. So this is the next button. So just need to press this one so you can flip all the pages. So ayan po. Okay. So I hope